Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at our 2-bedroom Savannah View villa at Kidani Lodge at the Animal Kingdom. So let's take a look. Come into the villa, you can see it's just gorgeous and huge. Have this lovely living room with a great big table and a bench there, seating for at least 6, and a nice credenza with shelves and lots of storage space and a great big flat screen TV and a beautiful comfortable chair, which I think is also a sleeper. Yep, it's a single sleeper, which is just gorgeous. You got a nice big coffee table and 2 end tables and another sleeper sofa. So you have 2 more people sleeping in the living room, and this beautiful ceiling fan and a full kitchen, which is just gorgeous. You've got a coffee maker and a range and oven with cookie sheets and a microwave, which is wonderful, and all kinds of storage and utensils. So you've got coffee cups and regular cups, wine glasses. You got more storage space. Got utensils in this drawer, cooking utensils, and plates and pots and pans. So just wonderful. You got a full refrigerator and freezer. So amazing. Got a toaster, 4-slice toaster, all kinds of plugs and USB plugs, and dishwashing and hand soap, dishwashing liquid. They provide some dishwashing and laundry detergent. Got regular knives and forks. Got hand towels and hot pads, more pots and pans. So they provide all kinds of implements, which is very nice. Paper towels, trash can, and a full dishwasher, which is just amazing. So very nice. It's like being in your own home. And over here, just inside the door, you have 2 benches here at your counter in your kitchen. Just inside the door to the villa, you have a beautiful guest bathroom with a single vanity and storage underneath the sink and the facilities, of course, and a lovely soaking tub and a shower. So another full bathroom. And over here, you have the stackable washer and dryer, which is amazing, and the laundry basket. And they provide enough detergent for 4 loads of laundry. So just wonderful. And then coming over here, you can come into the primary bedroom. And you can see this big, beautiful king-size bed, which is amazing. And night tables on both sides of the bed with US and USB plugs. And another nice big flat screen TV and a dresser with all kinds of storage space. And a desk with more plugs. It's just wonderful. And the best part of this view is the view. You can see how big this room is. It's just beautiful. And here's the primary bathroom, which is also huge. Got this great big beautiful soaking tub, jacuzzi soaking tub, separate jacuzzi soaking tub, and a great big walk-in shower, separate walk-in shower, which is just beautiful, with a bench there if you need it or want it, and bath amenities. So just gorgeous and huge. Got a single vanity with all kinds of storage underneath the sink, and towels and extra toilet paper and Kleenex. This is a facilities and a separate bathroom. For privacy. And here's the closet, primary bathroom closet, which has extra bedding and a safe for your valuables. Has our luggage in as well, which is making it look a little smaller. And you have an iron and an ironing board. So just beautiful. Oh, and another ceiling fan in the master or primary bedroom. And then coming over to the second bedroom, you can see this is just a huge, beautiful villa. We're thrilled to be here. You've got more storage space, another closet, with all kinds of hanging space, shelf space. And here's the second bathroom. Also a single vanity with additional storage underneath the sink. Another separate bathroom with the facilities and for privacy with the door. And another tub shower combination with a clothesline for drying your belongings. So that's just beautiful. And then coming out into the second bedroom, you also have another closet for more hanging space and more storage space. You've got this little footstool that has another shelf and 2 queen-size beds, which is just beautiful. Another ceiling fan, another flat screen TV, another dresser with all kinds of drawers, a luggage rack, another desk with more US and USB plugs. And one of the best features of this villa is the Savannah view and this amazing balcony, which runs the full length of the villa. You can see you come outside and you have views of the wildlife. So we have wildebeest and ostrich, and there's giraffe and zebra over there in the background. Just amazing. And you can see the balcony runs basically triple wide, so 2 bedrooms and the family room. So just an amazing balcony at this 2-bedroom villa. So when you're ready to book your next Disney vacation before your Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.